Germany has officially ordered Apple and Google to pull the viral Chinese AI app DeepSeek from their app stores. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a formal request that could have a ripple effect across all of Europe, and it raises a serious question. Who really controls the information you share with AI? Just a few months ago, DeepSeek came out of nowhere. Launched in January, this Chinese chatbot stunned the tech world. Its developer, a company based in Hangzhou, claimed its AI could rival industry giants like OpenAI's ChatGPT, but at a tiny fraction of the cost. It shot to the top of App Store charts, and for a moment it looked like a major new player had just changed the game. But that rapid rise to fame came with intense scrutiny, and now the walls may be closing in. On Friday, Germany's Data Protection Commissioner Maike Kemp dropped a bombshell. She announced that her office had formally requested Apple and Google to remove DeepSeek, citing the illegal transfer of user data to China and a failure to provide adequate privacy protections for German citizens. The core of the problem lies with Europe's strict data privacy law, the GDPR. Under this law, your personal data can't be shipped outside the EU unless the destination country guarantees a similar level of protection. According to German regulators, DeepSeek has completely failed to prove it can do this. In a direct and unambiguous statement, Commissioner Kemp said, "DeepSeek has not been able to provide my agency with convincing evidence that German users' data is protected in China to a level equivalent to that in the European Union." She went on to add a chilling reminder. Chinese authorities have far-reaching access rights to personal data within the sphere of influence of Chinese companies. This isn't a sudden move. German authorities had already given DeepSeek an ultimatum back in May: either comply with EU data transfer rules or voluntarily pull the app. DeepSeek did neither. So now Germany is forcing the issue by going directly to the gatekeepers of the app ecosystem, Apple and Google. The problem, as German regulators see it, is baked right into DeepSeek's own privacy policy. The company openly states that it stores user data, including your AI queries and any files you upload, on servers located in China. In a country where national security laws compel companies to share data with intelligence officials upon request, that's a massive red flag for European privacy watchdogs. Germany is not the first nation to take action. Italy already blocked DeepSeek from its app stores earlier this year for similar reasons. The Netherlands took a different approach, banning the app from all government devices, with one official calling it a spy-prone application. Meanwhile, France and Ireland are actively investigating the chatbot for potential privacy risks. This European pushback is happening as concern grows across the Atlantic. In the United States, lawmakers are already working on a bill that would ban federal agencies from using any AI models developed in China. So what's really at stake here? DeepSeek emerged from a hedge fund named Highflyer. It represented a significant leap in China's AI capabilities and was seen as a major challenger to American dominance in the field. But its success has been shadowed by security concerns from the very beginning. Beyond the data privacy issues, the company has also reportedly faced cyber attacks that exposed user information and API keys. The big question now is, what will Apple and Google do? As of the latest reports, Google has confirmed it received the request from Germany and is currently reviewing it. Apple, so far, has remained silent. DeepSeek itself has not responded to the order. The decision from the two tech giants will be a critical one. If they comply and pull the app in Germany, it could create a domino effect, prompting other EU nations to follow suit and potentially leading to a continent-wide ban. It sends a clear message to AI developers everywhere. If you want access to the massive European market, protecting user data according to EU standards isn't optional. It's the price of admission. This is more than just a story about one app. It's a story about the growing clash between different approaches to technology, privacy, and government power. It highlights the fundamental problem of how we can trust AI systems when our data is being sent to countries with vastly different legal frameworks. What do you think? Should tech giants like Apple and Google have the final say on which apps are available, or should governments be able to force their removal over security concerns? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.